Now, 10 days after OpenAI admitted one of its AI systems broke out of a test environment and hit a real company, Anthropic made a strikingly similar confession. It is about its own Claude models. But before we get into this, it is very important for me to share with you what is happening as far as our like, share, subscribe models are concerned. 82%, yes, that's the number which has been startlingly staring us in the face. And the fact that we want to bring down that number, because 82% are the number of viewers who are the new viewers who are coming here onto front page but are not liking, sharing and subscribing, which I would really like to reverse. And that can happen with your help. Thank you so much for your kind support. Now, Anthropic released its own retrospective review, which is basically combining 141,006 evaluation runs. The company found 3 incidents where it had. Now, in all 3 cases, Claude was running a capture the flag cybersecurity exercise. It is a standard way labs test a model's hacking ability inside a fictional company scenario. Now, Anthropic's prompt explicitly told Claude it had no internet access. But due to a misunderstanding with a third-party evaluation partner, the test machines were connected to the internet. Now, when Claude's search for the flag led to, well, real systems, it reasonably assumed they were part of the simulation. Opus 4.7 mistakenly targeted a real company, accessed credentials and production data, and continued despite recognizing the error. Now, Mythos 5 created and uploaded a fake software package to the live PyPI registry, which is basically leading to 15 downloads before it was removed. Independent evaluator METR is being brought in for a third-party review, and Anthropic plans to release a redacted transcript of this incident. Now, Anthropic's latest prototype scanned 9,000 potential targets, compromised 1 real company, and then stopped after realizing the target was unrelated to its task. Now, Anthropic says it halted all cybersecurity evaluations the same day it spotted the issue, notified their evaluation partner, irregular, and the affected companies. Well, it is now working with 2 of the 3 on remediation while still trying to reach the 3rd. Here comes, of course, the front page take. Now, the pattern across both this incident and OpenAI's Hugging Face attack is, well, pretty much the same. These were models doing what they were told, based on a false belief about their own environment. Now, it's also fueling a fast-moving policy conversation in Washington, where lawmakers introduced an AI kill switch bill within days of the first incident. So, well, then that brings me to this question for all of you. Is this reassuring? Because 2 AI labs are catching and disclosing these gaps themselves, or is this very alarming because it took a rival's very public failure to trigger the search that found these in the first place? Something to ponder on. Please do let us know what are your thoughts in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.